Namaskar dosto, welcome to Savvy Astrology. Sometimes our home or office or even shop space gets infected or afflicted by negative energy. It can be caused by different ways, but immediately we may start feeling negative vibes. Sudden issues in health, relationship, or even our cell can drop. One can feel heavy or just uncomfortable in staying there for long. Sudden mood swings or unexplainable irritation can be felt. Problems with communication, losses, there can be bad dreams, palpitations of heart, or even there is a possibility of being cheated. Disloyalty of staffs can be seen, or even the disharmony in family. Whatever the situation is, the person will not be comfortable with that situation. Do you know, with camphor and carrom seeds, Ajwain, we can heal the environment and clear the space? In this video, I'll be sharing the same, and remain tuned. You can heal the space and clear the environment by yourself. You don't need to be a practitioner, you don't need to be a psychic, you don't need to meditate even. What you need is camphor, kapoor, and carrom seeds or ajwain. Camphor, kapoor, and ajwain in carrom seeds have an unique property of clearing the space from negativity. Actually, we can heal the space and erase negative energy permanently. Knowledge of application is important only. How you are applying it. Suppose you need to clear one room. Now, clear and clean the four corners of the room first. Four corners should be free and it should be clear. First, take 4 pieces of camphor and a bit of ajwain in your left hand. Close your left hand with your right hand. Give your full concentration. Chant this word like mantra for 108 times. What is that word? Clear, clear. While reciting this, just feel the heaviness and negative energy is clearing, and the camphor are actually attracting them. With clear, you are giving your intention to the camphor to attract the negative energy. Now, after doing this, leave these 4 pieces with a bit of ajwain in the 4 corners of the room. Leave it overnight and let it work. Next morning, what do? Collect them from the 4 corners and go outside and burn them in open air. You continue with this process every night and you will see a significant changes in the energy of the room. Also, you will see that camphor fumes are not so blackish when you burn them after a few days, because it will take near about 3 to 4 days to start working, and you can see the real difference. Slowly you will see that you are again feeling comfortable and positive. Keep on doing this until you feel that you have erased the possible negativity from the space. So this is an unique way of clearing the negative energy with this simple camphor and ajwain, and continue with this any place you feel like, and the place or the space will be cleared. I hope this video will be highly beneficial if you want to clear the energy of your room, office or space or anywhere you feel like. So please do this, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like also. Let there be light. Thank you.